The Digital Commodity Thesis. Season 2, Introduction. For decades, the language of the market was simple. There were risk-on assets, like stocks, that you bought when you were optimistic about the future. And there were risk-off assets, like gold, that you bought when you were seeking safety from a storm. This framework was the compass that guided generations of investors. Today, that compass is broken. A new force has entered the global financial system, a class of digital assets led by Bitcoin that refuses to obey the old rules. On some days, it behaves like a high-risk technology stock. On others, it acts as a safe haven from the turmoil that sends stocks plummeting. The old labels no longer apply, leaving analysts divided and investors confused. The market is speaking a new language, and the world is struggling to find a translator. What is Bitcoin? Is it a speculative tech bubble? Is it a modern currency? Or is it something else entirely, the birth of a new asset class with its own unique properties and principles? This 11 series videos is the answer to that question. It is the result of a multi-year deep dive investigation into the internal mechanics of the market. It is the culmination of a quantitative analysis that looks past the headlines and into the very structure of these new assets. We have applied our proprietary tools, the Market Clock 360 degrees view, the Real Value Protocol, and our signature demand ratio analysis to move beyond opinion and into the realm of data-driven proof. What we have discovered is that we are witnessing the birth of a new economic category. This book will provide the definitive evidence that Bitcoin and its counterparts have evolved into digital commodities, and it will give you the framework to see the market not as it was, but as it is becoming. Our roadmap begins by examining the end of an old label, the great rotation of capital, the sovereignty ratio, and why capital chose a new safe haven over gold. Then, we introduce the Real Value Protocol, apply it in a Bitcoin case study, unveil the Scarcity Momentum Index, and extend the framework to Ethereum and XRP. Finally, we state the conclusion, the birth of a new asset class. Video 11 remains a separate chapter, the birth of a new asset class. And video 12 closes with a practical note about your first digital savings account. The world of money is changing, and the tools available to the everyday saver are changing with it. Understanding this new digital commodity is the first step toward taking control of your financial future. Read the book, Digital Commodities, The Birth of a New Asset Class. Visit cryptoinwallstreet.club. Subscribe to the Professor Clock YouTube channel and follow the full 12-chapter video series. This conversation is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results, and investing involves risk. This is not financial advice, but an invitation to learn.